This Eastwood pneumatic perfect panel prep tool came in the mail today. Gonna test it out. Got some 18 gauge steel that I already cut a piece out of, and we're gonna test it on that. This is the tool. It's got the mouth. That side does little holes. This side puts a little V kind of shape, half a V, in your piece of metal. You'll see what I'm talking about. Here's what's going together. And this is the welder I'm using. It's a Miller 250. Aiming to set it up with 023 wire, but for now it's 35 thousandths, so we'll see what it does. I'm kind of impatient right now, just want to try it out. Here we go. There's the channel. Tack one side, get it realigned, then I'll start some more tacks. Okay, got a tack on each side. I'm going to take the magnet off. Well, not bad for the first time. I think with skinnier wire, some practice, and being more careful to keep the panel straight, a little bit more heat management, this would work real great.